Affordable waterfront living on a channel leading to Lake Winneconne, where you'll enjoy miles of waterway recreation. Located in the village and within walking distance to downtown, this ranch-style home features 3 bdrms, 1 full bath, first FL laundry, living room west/views of the channel and lake, kitchen west/appliances. Outside find a 2.5-car detached garage, large yard and storage shed. Located in the desirable Winneconne School District west/easy access, the Highway 45. Whether a year-round home or weekend retreat, this channel front home is ready for you. All offers to be submitted to listing agents by 12 p.m. April 17th.